Jed, give him a little room. Quincy, can you howl? Oh, yes. You say, ow. You say, wow, wow, wow. Yes, wow, wow, wow. Good boy. Jed, back up a little bit. You can say it too. Good job, Jed. Quincy, can you say? Say, wow, wow, wow. Good boy. Can you say, I love you? Good boy. I love you too, Quincy. Can you say, wow, wow, wow? Oh, good boy. Archie, can you say anything? Archie doesn't say anything. Can you say, I love you? Quincy, say, oh. Quincy, can you say? I think he's getting a little aggravated with Jed. Quincy, can you say? Good, okay, good job. Alright guys, that's enough. You say it's enough? It's enough! So this is a World War II... Thank you, Bobo. This is a World War II bayonet from Korea that your stepdad's grandpa brought home from the actual Korean War.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Well, let's get it in the light. Dude, that is sick. You don't get to see a lot of just like real history like that. God. You know, it's been to war, man. It's awesome. That's crazy. That is cool. That is cool. Bobo, take it easy. So this is the new futon.
Yeah.
How many inches your screen, dude?
I think it was
big.
20. Alec and Jason need you guys upstairs.
Oh, okay. I guess I can't chill.
We're doing a big group photo.
Oh, group photo.
Yeah.